Sorry guys. So hi guys, today I'm going to show you a really cool experiment. So I love this. Basically do that and see what happens when really long length goes. See what happens. So I'm going to take you up there. Film it. I'm going to leave you there. So I'm just going to go from there so you can see what happens at the end. And I'm going to do it all the way to my bed. Okay? Stay there. Okay, I'm going to just do that. Easier. I'm going to do it from under my bed. Okay, we're at the back of my bed. I think. Okay, so we're going to do from there. I'm going to make sure that it's like not twisted in any way. We go much more further. Oh, we can go so much further. This is actually quite hard because I need it. Oh god, I think I just broke it. This is my dad's. So yeah. Okay, so now let go. See, this is this is just a scientific investigation, so I'm going to run away as soon as I let go. Oh, so you do that again. Let's do that again. It's like so loud. Well, from here it probably isn't as loud. And I like bend it a bit at the back. If I break this though, my dad will kill me. And I won't have a birthday back. And all my besties are coming. Including one of my YouTube friends. And that's called HT Tizzle. Please watch her channel, she is so good. So, again, I'm going to like, as soon as it let go. So, I think I could do a bit more. Okay, that'll do. Okay. 3, 2, 1. Oh, we'll do it one more time and that's it. Okay, because I just love doing this. So one more time. Oh god, that doesn't sound good. Oh, 20%. So, I'm going to do it from over here this time because this is a really big one. 3, 2, 1. Okay, that wasn't very good. So yeah, I hope you liked my video today. Subscribe and like. So shout outs. 7 super girls. 7 awesome kids. And HT Tizzle. And what's it called? Princess Tard and Baby Tard. And Shay Tard. So those are my 5 shout outs, I think it's 5, 4. Maybe 6. So 5, 4, 6 shout outs. So yeah. Bye. If you want, you can try this experiment at home. It is totally free to do it. I don't mind if you do it. But if you do it, can you please comment below about how it worked out. Okay, so bye. Ooh, I'm symmetrical.